Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create WORDCLOUD using Python. So, if you are wondering what WORDCLOUD is, WORDCLOUD is a simple image containing words arranged in a particular order and style. Here, you can see few examples of WORDCLOUD images. The idea is very simple. If you take any text file and convert it into WORDCLOUD, then the words that occur the highest will be printed in darker and larger size, while those words which occur the least will be in smaller size and lighter shades. In today's video, I will be using Cloud IDE since I have some issue with my Python interpreter, but anyways, the process is same for both. So, to continue with our work today, we will require a text file which we will be using as the input for the WORDCLOUD. I have a small text file downloaded here. It is the summary of one of the series of Harry Potter. So, let's start. I will just open a new Python notebook. First of all, make sure that you have the necessary libraries installed in your system. We will be using around 5 libraries in this project. So, first we will import the matplotlib library to plot our words. Then, next thing is the most important one, that is the WORDCLOUD module. Actually, we can create the WORDCLOUD without this library, but that would take around hundreds of lines of code. Next, import NumPy library. Then, the pillar module. We will be using this module for a special trigger to the WORDCLOUD, which we'll be showing you in a while. After importing the module, the next step is to create the dataset. So to do that, first we need to open our text file. Here you can see the text file with name sample.txt, and we will read that into our dataset. Next, we will create a simple function to generate our WORDCLOUD. Cloud equals to WORDCLOUD of background color. Here we will keep it as formal white. Then, the total number of words in the picture is 200. And the stop word equals to stop words. This is to ignore words like is, are, the, so on. Next, cloud.generateOfString to generate the WORDCLOUD, and then we will save this generated WORDCLOUD as an image to our system. So wordcloud.png. Now, we are done with creating the function to generate the WORDCLOUD. Now, just to convert all the letters to lowercase, use lower function, and then call the function create WORDCLOUD to generate the WORDCLOUD. So, when we run this code, we can see a new file being generated as wordcloud.png. When we open this file, we can see an image, and we can notice that the image is of default rectangular shape. Now, if we want to customize the shape, a circle or heart or any other random shape, we can do that in just one single step. And that's why we had imported the pillow module at the beginning. I will use this PNG image to mask the WORDCLOUD, so that the new WORDCLOUD generated will be in the shape of this image. So I will just close other tabs, and first we'll just rename the file image name. And then add a new code over here, that is maskarray equals npy.array, and open the image, that is family.png. Now, when we run it, we have a new image generated, and we can see that borders of the image being changed. So that was a quick tutorial for creating WORDCLOUD using Python. Thanks for watching.